Meet OAK-D-Lite, the most accessible and easy-to-use spatial AI and computer vision on Earth. Need a depth camera that can identify and track objects in real time? Our mission in creating OAK-D-Lite was to build a human-like perception device that can be accessible and influential across industries, across countries, across the world. Luxonis and OpenCV are back, and we're here to make an impact. Our engineers took feedback from our community. We stripped away what didn't matter, we optimized what did, and we created a lean, mean, kick-ass, but tiny AI machine. Don't let the name fool you. OAK-D-Lite packs a punch. 13 megapixel color, 4K video with onboard H.265 encoding, more than 300,000 depth points at 200 frames per second and a 10-meter range, a 1.4 trillion operations per second dual-core AI processor, 20-plus accelerated computer vision processors, a dual-core CPU for your own custom logic, and most importantly, the ability to perceive and track the environment just like we do. Sounds great, right? We're just getting started. Unleashing this power into the hands of every engineer, creator, and inventor. With OAK-D-Lite, you can transform your industry. With OAK-D-Lite and the open source Depth AI library, anyone can harness this power. A determined person who has never programmed can use it. Yet it's layered with enough discoverability that even the most seasoned computer vision engineer will love having deep control and access. Computer vision is no longer the hard or expensive part. This is spatial AI for everyone.